Let's look at a high-speed financial race. Meet Dan and Leo. They aren't friends, they don't know each other, but exactly 360 days ago, they both did the exact same thing. They each invested $50,000 into the same tech stock. And guess what? They both nailed it. The stock skyrocketed. Today, both of their portfolios show exactly $50,000 in pure profit. They both won the market. But the real game isn't about how much you make, it is about how much the IRS lets you keep. And right now, Dan and Leo are approaching the most dangerous finish line in investing, the 365-day mark. It is day 360. Dan is sitting at his desk. He sees a new shiny crypto coin blowing up on Twitter. He gets FOMO. He looks at his stock, sees his massive $50,000 gain, and aggressively hits the sell button to cash out and move to the next play. Instantly, a financial alarm triggers. By selling before holding the stock for a full year, Dan just triggered a short-term capital gains tax. The IRS does not see him as an investor. They treat his stock profit exactly like a regular paycheck. Because Dan has a good job, he's in the 35% tax bracket. The IRS aggressively reaches into his account and rips out $17,500. Dan thought he made 50 grand, but he walks away with just $32,500. The government punished him for his impatience. Now let's cut to Leo. It is also day 360 for him. He sees the exact same shiny crypto coin. He feels the exact same FOMO. But Leo has a strict rule. He looks at his calendar. He realizes he is only 5 days away from the 365-day finish line. Leo literally turns off his computer, he sits on his couch, he does absolutely nothing. 5 days pass. It is now day 366. Leo logs in and finally hits sell. The IRS shows up again, but this time the system recognizes a shield. Because Leo held the asset for over 1 year, he unlocked long-term capital gains. The IRS is legally forced to tax him at a heavily discounted rate of just 15%. They take $7,500. Leo walks away with $42,500. Let that sink in. Dan and Leo bought the exact same stock at the exact same time, but by literally doing nothing and sitting on his couch for just 5 extra days, Leo made $10,000 more than Dan. That is $2,000 a day just for being patient. The IRS taxes your impatience and rewards your discipline. Short-term gets crushed, long-term gets wealthy. Stop rushing your trades and subscribe to Dollar Key for the real rules of the money game.